Good morning, everyone. I wanted to share with you a little bit more, do a little deeper dive into the profit margins and what things sell for and how much money you truly can make when you are able to buy at a lower price. We're going to focus in on that Pokemon case. I'm going to turn it over to the mathematician, Brian. He's going to explain a little bit more about our profit margins.
I'm going to give you a very quick explanation of our profit margin and cost of goods sold. We acquired 32 pieces of inventory today in a large IKEA bag for a total price of $15. I'm going to use this as an example. Sold on eBay for $60 within the last month. So our cost of goods sold is $15 divided by 32 pieces, which comes out to 47 cents a piece. If we sell this for $60, our profit margin is 99.22%. Now this does not include any of the eBay fees, driving to the post office, our expense of driving to the church rummage sale, but that's a pretty good profit next to free for something that you have to pay for. Ironically, at church rummage sales, you might find a book or several with a religious connotation. Let's just talk about this one because we found a comp for it that sold. This is the My Sunday Missal, which sold for $22.75. Our cost is 47 cents, so our profit margin is 99%. Karen does a really good job of sourcing unique items like this, especially made in Italy or France, Great Britain, and we found some close comps, not the identical item, around $75. We will hopefully listed at 75, we'll take 50. Again, our profit margin is around 99%. This unique, I'm not even sure what this is. Karen swears it's a clock because if you turn it around, you can put a battery in it. And a good thing to do, we did not do it today, is bring some batteries of different sizes with you if you want to check whether items are working. This one sold for $33, which again gets your profit margin around 98 to 99%. And this is another item, it caught my eye. These sell, the profit margin isn't as good as some of these other items, but a hooded sweatshirt like this, we're going to ask probably $30 for it, take 20 for it, so our profit margin is going to be very good. Ironically, our accountant, I highly recommend you get a good accountant. I do all the bookkeeping, basically just the number gathering, and he goes, "Why is your cost of goods so low?" Well, we don't go to Goodwill and pay $8 per item. We would rather go to a church rummage sale. I have found some really good deals on golf shoes, golf clubs, a lot of nice polo golf collared golf shirts. A thrift store is going to upcharge you, say, anywhere from $5 to $20 an item, where we have gotten 32 items for a total of $15. We like the mission statement that they're providing, and I don't think you can find a cost of goods sold that would rival anything that we have come up with. Grocery stores operate on very skinny margins of 1% to 2%, and here we're operating on margins of 98+%, and we could donate 31 of these items if we sold one of them, and we'd still come out light years ahead. It's a great way to source your products.